Yes, because after this shea mask, I will just go to bed. So right now I'm gonna be taking my shea mask off. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your baby girl Mama? What's up? Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be talking about sheep masks, and if today is your first time watching my video, you are highly welcome to my returning subscribers. Thank you guys so much. So on today's video, if you want to know how I make my sheep masks, sheep mask is originally created from Korea. So stay tuned to the end of this video and don't touch that dial. So this shea mask is all about purifying skin, taking care of acne, just stuff like that, okay? And the one I'm going to be using is this. So it's called Hydration Grow and Touch Mask. Yes. So you can get this in a Rossmann or DM in European shop. I don't know. That is the main place I think you can get it. You can get it in Rossmann, DM. I don't know any other shops that can sell things like this. So guys, let's go straight to today's video. So without wasting much of your time, what I'm going to do is to first of all wash my face. Yes guys, so stay tuned. So guys, right now we'll finish washing. I've finished washing my face, so I'm going to dry it with paper towel. The essence of this shea mask is to hydrate your face, moisturize it. It's made with a lot of ingredients, yeah, and they comes in different types. So the next one is to put up my shea mask. So here we are going to open our shea mask. Yes. Then you have to be careful so that you don't stain your shea mask. Okay. But before then, guys, I forgot. We have to massage it. Then after massaging, yeah, so that it will suck all the ingredients. Then you bring it out. Sorry guys, I think I have to do it in a way that you people will see what I'm doing. I don't want to stain it, so that is it guys. So you have to make sure you straighten it very well. All of them, some of them come in different shapes. Some can be bigger than your face. So I think this one is, what will I say? Is it bigger than my face or smaller than my face? How will I say it? Oh, I'm just trying to fix it well to make sure everything is smooth on my face. I don't know why this side is not going in. So guys, I'm done putting on the face mask or the she mask. So right now I'm gonna leave it for 15 minutes, nothing less than 15 minutes. Some people they leave theirs 20 minutes. Some people they used to leave their own for 20 minutes, but I will leave mine for just 15 minutes. You don't have to let it dry up, because the extent of using this thing is to moisturize your face, the extent is to hydrate your face. So guys, you can use this she mask any time of the day. Although it's late already, but it's late already, so I'm just trying to use this she mask before I go to bed. So because it's mixed with a lot of ingredients, a lot of good ingredients, good quality. Actually, it's my first time of using this she mask. Yeah guys, so that is it. We are still waiting for 15 minutes. I think this mask is too small on my face. You can see, look at it here. The nose, it didn't cover my nose properly. It's not covering my nose very well, but it's okay. So that is it guys. I will be back in 15 minutes. Guys, before I forget, why I decided to use this particular one, because it's 100% natural cosmetics. It's made with natural herbs. Yes guys, so it's 100%. You can see it's bio, you know. That is why I decided to use this. I don't use anything apart from natural things. I hardly use all this because I'm scared of my skin. I don't want anything that will damage my skin. So that is it guys. And if you watch, I have been scrubbing my neck with this. Yes, trying to scrub my neck, as in massage my neck with the gel. Yes, because it's moisturizer, you know. What you do is to make sure the gel, you apply it on your neck. Yeah. So guys, it's almost 15 minutes and it's almost getting dried. So I don't want it to dry up on my face. I need the gel on my face. So that is it. So guys, we are going to remove this she mask right now. Yeah. So before I remove the mask, I will check the packet and remove anything inside and rub it, all the gel on my neck, because there is a lot of good stuff inside, you know. Yes guys. Yes. The essence of doing this is to get a glowing skin at the morning time. Yes, because after this she mask, I will just go to bed. Just all alone right now, trying to take care of my skin. So that is it guys. So right now I'm gonna be taking my she mask off. So taking it off. Yes. Oh my goodness. I'm loving my face guys. Guys, remember, after taking this off, you don't need to apply anything on your face, because this already contains a lot of things. So that is it guys. I will just use it to scrub my neck because my neck is also important to me. Just use it to massage my neck because there is no water coming out. The water is already almost dried, so I just use it to scrub everywhere. So so satisfying. So if you are still wondering to use sheet masks, I will advise you do. I will recommend it you do. You can see how glowing my face is looking. So beautiful people, I believe I have come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe. Touch that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. So guys, for my new subscribers, if you are still wondering what this channel is all about, I do cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos and more. If I see any video that caught my attention, I can as well film it. Yes guys, so I believe I have come to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. As of now, I am out. Bye bye.
Yo.